Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. In this video, I will show you how to check your PC uptime on Windows 11 using simple and accurate methods. Uptime tells you how long your computer has been running without shutting down. This is very useful for troubleshooting performance, network issue, or checking system stability. Let's get started. First method is this, guys. Right click on your taskbar, empty space. From here you need to open the task manager. After opening the task manager, guys, in the left panel go to performance tab and here click on CPU. At the bottom of your screen here you can get your PC uptime. As you can see, guys, they show exactly how long your PC has been running since last boot. So this is the first method. Second method is this, guys. Press Windows key button and here you need to search cmd, means command prompt, and open this command prompt in run as administrator tab. Okay, like this, and here you need to type this same command as it is. Okay, this give you exact date and time your PC last booted, so you can calculate the uptime from here, as you can see, guys, in my screen. Okay, so this is the two easy and very simple method to check your PC uptime, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows and Android guide from SmartTech Junction. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.